Welcome. Today we will study past perfect continuous tense. Write your answer in the comment section before watching the video and don't cheat. Number 1. She dashed for hours before the guest arrived. Had been cooking. 2. They dash in the field dash morning. Had been working since. 3. I dashed the book dash 2 hours when you called. Had been reading for. 4. We dashed all day before the rain started. Had been walking. 5. He dashed for the job for several months. Had been applying. 6. The children dashed in the garden before sunset. Had been playing. 7. She dashed the piano dash over an hour when the electricity went out. Had been playing for. 8. They dashed about moving to Canada before they got the visa. Had been thinking. 9. I dashed to call you all morning. Had been trying. 10. He dashed in the company dash 5 years before quitting. Had been working for. 11. We dashed for you before you showed up. Had been waiting. 12. She dashed to learn French before going to Paris. Had been trying. 13. They dashed in that old house dash decades. Had been living for. 15. 14. He dashed too much before the doctor warned him. Had been smoking. 15. I dashed my phone before I found it under the couch. Had been looking for. 16. We dashed our project dash last week. Had been doing since. 17. She dashed the same dress every day before buying a new one. Had been wearing. 18. They dashed the wrong route before realizing their mistake. Had been following. 19. He dashed his homework all night. Had been doing. 20. I dashed the problem for hours when I finally found a solution. Had been analyzing. 21. She dashed at the same office dash 2015. Had been working since 2015. 22. They dashed that film series dash years before the last part released. Had been following for. 23. We dash for this opportunity all our lives. Had been waiting. 24. He dashed his savings before the accident. Had been spending. 25th. I dash about this trip dash months before it happened. Had been dreaming for. 26. She dash lessons dash 2 hours before the break. Had been taking for. 27. They dash the forest dash early morning. Had been exploring since. 28. He dashed the wall blue before we arrived. Had been painting. 29. I dashed my lost dog all day. Had been searching for. 30. We dash for this result dash years. Had been hoping for. 31. She dashed the wrong medicines before the doctor corrected it. Had been taking. 32. They dashed each other long before marriage. Had been knowing. 33. He dashed his diet before his health improved. Had been controlling. 34. We dash him letters every week. Had been writing. 35. I dash this topic in my research. Had been covering. 36. She dashed to quit her job dash months. Had been planning for. 37. They dash that building dash years before it collapsed. Had been preparing for. 38. He dashed the dog before the trainer arrived. Had been training. 39. I dashed to call you before my phone died. Had been meaning. 40. We dash on the problem all night. Had been working. 41. She dashed for a promotion before she left. Had been hoping. 42. They dashed in the river before the storm came. Had been swimming. 43. He dashed with his team all year. Had been practicing. 44. I dashed too long on this task. Had been spending. 45. He dashed at that hotel regularly. Had been staying. 46. She dashed at me strangely before I asked her why. Had been looking. 47. They dashed about the test dash weeks. Had been worrying for weeks. 48. He dashed fast food before changing his diet. Had been eating. 49. I dashed that song all morning. Had been singing. 50. We dash him for support dash a long time. Had been depending on for a long time. Thanks for watching.